Alright, this is how to reset Mercedes W203 service reminder. This is a 2001 C32 AMG, but the procedure is similar on most C-Class and maybe some other classes of Mercedes from the early 2000s to probably 2007 or so. So on the steering wheel controls, try and get both things in here. You just scroll through till you get your service indicator. See, this one's exceeded service B by 300. Then you press the service button for about 3-4 seconds. And then it says confirm. You press it again. Just keep pressing it. And then it's reset. And service A again is due in 9,300 miles.